Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shubhankar Storyteller. I'm Shubhankar Storyteller. I'm a personal story branding expert and I'm a story coach. In this particular video, I want to address one of the most important topics which is going on. What are the latest branding trends for trainers and coaches? As you already know that post-COVID, the training industry has been evolving again and again and again and again. So to address the aspect of branding, I put together the latest branding trends which are going to be huge in 2021. Some of them already picking up. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And here we go ahead.
I hope you all can see the screen. The first branding trend, which is going to be the biggest branding trend and which I'm predicting, is something called the brand moniker. Like, what is a moniker? A moniker is actually a nickname, a name and a nickname. For example, my brand moniker is Shubhankar Storyteller. There is an influencer called Digital Pratik. Then there is a person called Digital Deepak. And in India, there is an online coaching, a person who helps you build an online coaching business called Siddharth Rajshekar. He's called Sids. So having a brand moniker is the key. This is going to be a really big trend. The second one is called brand alignment. So what is brand alignment? There are 4 aspects to the brand alignment: your brand name, the brand designation, and your course modules. Let's say, for example, my brand name is StoryCult. My designation is I'm a storyteller and the story branding expert. My modules are StoryCult Branding Blueprint, StoryCult Kickstarter, and this your story brand quotient. These are the 3 levels of products which I have. So all of it are in complete alignment, right? So this is going to be a really huge trend, because as we know, day by day we're getting super niche into everything. This is going to be a really big trend. The third one is called sonic branding. Now this is applicable only if you are putting out a lot of video content or podcasts. Have you ever seen that in the beginning of a particular video, or in the intro or the outro, especially people like Gary Vee, and there's a person called Rajiv Talreja in India, and maybe a lot more influencers, they have their own, I would say, music which keeps on playing. It's the same music which is there in every video. That is called sonic branding. This is going to be a huge trend because predominantly a lot of content is moving towards audio, especially podcasts. The fourth one is called personal identity attachment. So this is especially relevant to people who have communities, who have big communities. When I say personal identity attachment, it's about having your own digital ecosystem and branding it in such a way that it's like super unique, and each person can call himself, hey listen, I am so and so. And you got to come up with a cult name, and for the people in the cult, you got to come up with a personal identity attachment tag. Like, for example, Russell Brunson's product is ClickFunnels. His, I would say, clients or students are called funnel hackers. And my brand is StoryCult. The people of my inner circle are called the story wizards. So wherever they go, hey, what are you? Hey, I'm a story wizard. I'm a funnel hacker. I'm an internet lifestyle hacker. I'm a lady boss. I am XYZ, like that. I am followed by dash. You got to fill up the dash for your own cult. This is a huge branding trend, and it's very important. The fourth one is called metaphor labeling. So if at any point you feel challenged that, hey, you know what, I can't find a brand moniker for me, or I don't want to have a nickname for me, you can have a label, a metaphor label. For example, Jordan Belfort, also called as Wolf of Wall Street; Grant Cardone, also called 10x Man. Also, a classic example is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. She was called the Nightingale of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. So what were these? These were metaphor labeling. So you can call yourself with a particular metaphor labeling related to your niche. And last but not the least is associate branding. So associate branding is where you already see someone who's at a global level. You pick someone who's at a global level and you kind of associate yourself with that, calling yourself, it's like being under their shadow. It's also called as umbrella branding. Let's say, for example, Digital Pratik in India, he calls himself, or at least people call him Gary Vee of India. There are some people who call themselves Tony Robbins of India. And there are some people who say, let's say I'm the Grant Cardone of India. something like that. So this is called associate branding. I personally would not advise associate branding, but just for the sake of including these trends catching up, that's the reason I included this one also. So to get this particular mind map, click the link below in the YouTube section. So it will take you to my Instagram page. On Instagram, just drop me a DM. Soon I'm going to be having, soon I'm going to give you a link, maybe from the next couple of videos where you can directly download. You can just drop a DM to me, or in the comment section, you can just drop, hey, listen, I want this mind map, and you're going to get it. So I hope you got some value. What are your thoughts? Click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.